Come, my love, I'll tell you a tale of a boy and girl.
Mom, can't you tell me I'm sick?
You're sick. That's why he's here.
He'll pinch my cheek. I hate that.
Maybe he won't.
Hey, how's the sickie? Huh?
I think I'll leave you two pals alone.
I brought you a special present.
What is it?
Open it up.
A book?
That's right. When I was your age, television was called books. And this is a special book. It was the book my father used to read to me when I was sick, and I used to read it to your father. And today, I'm going to read it to you.
Has it got any sports in it?
Are you kidding?
Fencing, fighting, probability, revenge, giants, permutations, combinations, the counting principle, and true love.
Oh, it doesn't sound that bad.
Let's start then.
My love is like a storybook story.
Come on, boy. Yes. Fetch my stick. As you wish. Come on, boy. Fetch me that higher. As you wish. Solve this problem for me. There are 8 cows. How many ways can the cows be milked? First, second, and third. As you wish. So there are 8 cows, and I'm trying to find out how many ways it can be milked first, second, and third. And since order matters, I'm going to use permutations. So the formula is NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial, which will equal 8p3 equals 8 factorial over 5 factorial. And 8 factorial will be 8
times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now these two will cancel out, and so it'll be 8 times 7 times 6.
which is going to equal 336. So there are 336 ways that the 8 cows can be milked, first, second, and third.
Come, my love, I'll tell you a tale of a boy and girl and their love story.
There are 45 traveling ships and 1 dread pirate Roberts in 1,500 miles of ocean. What is the probability that he would capture Wesley's ship if he only captures 3 every year? So, probability. So it would be probability equals 3 over 45, which equals 1 over 15.
Is there a math competition around here?
Oh, there's not a math competition in 10 legions.
Then no one can hear you scream. Get her.
Hello there! My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father! Prepare to die! This line is dirty. Still. Stop! Look at the shape our feet have made. It is an octagon! How many diagonals does it have?
an octagon, we know, has 8 sides. So I'm going to have 8 combination. We know this is a combination because order doesn't matter. 8 combination 2. 2 because there are 2 non-adjacent sides for every point. We know from the formula that is n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. Thus, it is 8 factorial over 6 factorial over 2 factorial.
This equals 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is all over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1.
The 6 factorials cancel off. And then we can further reduce by 2, making this a 4. 28 from 4 times 7 over 1 equals 28. Now, for an octagon, there are 8 sides, so we subtract 8 from the original number 28, we get 20. 20 diagonals possible within an octagon.
It has 20 diagonals! That was brilliant! You know what else is brilliant? I'm left-handed! Oh!
Isaac, there are 15 rocks, and I need you to choose 10 of them. There are 6 trees, and I need you to choose 3 of them. Once you choose those, you must throw them at the man in black.
I have 15 rocks and 6 trees to choose from. If I pick 10 rocks and 3 trees to throw at the man in black, how many ways can I choose these? I was taught in elementary by my tutor to use the combinations formula. N factorial of n minus r factorial of r factorial. If I do the math correctly in my head, it would be 3003. If I do the math correctly in my head, it would be 20. We use combinations because order doesn't matter. That was my tutor always told me.
Ah! Don't make me throw this rock at the puny man in black.
Come at me, bro!
Don't make me.
Inconceivable!
I challenge you to a battle of the wits over the princess.
I accept.
See here, iocane powder. Very lethal.
Ooh, very.
I have put it into one of these goblets. You choose which one. The battle of the wits has begun.
Alright. Well, according to Greek mythology, people like to be safe. And near to you is safe, like safer home. And home is like peace and love. So you would want to put it next to you and have me feel that same way. And put the one with poison next to me. Then again, we are both from Gilbert, and Gilbert is a safe place. And you would like to put the poisonous one closer to you. So then you would think that I would think that it's closer to you so you could be safe. But you would know that I would know that. And so you'd put it closer to me. Anyways, I'll choose this. Oh, look, a dead bird!
Where?
Nowhere. Anyways, let's drink.
Let's drink. What?
I switched them when you weren't looking.
You've lost.
No, I don't think so. I have won. I have won.
What actually was the probability of him choosing the cup with the iocane powder in it? So what is the probability of Vizzini picking the cup without poison? So, the formula for probability is the probability of events equals the number of events over the number of sample space. Vizzini thought that I'd only put the iodine powder in one goblet, so he would have thought the probability would be 1 over 2. But I actually put the iodine powder in both of the glasses since I built up an immunity to it, so the possibility of him not picking a cup without poison would be 0 over 2, which would be 0. It is I, Wesley! Let us go off!
My love is like
Probability and the counting principle is what brings us together today.